What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we're opening up once again another Prism CELLO pack, so we're gonna get right into it. I just opened two on camera and you're just gonna want to see that video. I can't say anything about that right now. That's just crazy. So let's see if the luck can continue. Hopefully we get a rookie in this pack. Alright. We got a Bembry, Al Hortford, rookie, Kenyon Martin Jr. Alright. At least rookie's a rookie, guys, so not bad. I'll set him back on a stand. Rookie red, white, and blue. I'll take it. But yeah, you're gonna want to see the other video because that is, yeah, there's no words for that break. Alright, let's see what we got. We got a silver prism and a green, just like 99% of packs do. Collins, George Hill, Murray, Giannis. Our silver's not next, so I can sleeve him up without. Alright, I ruined the silver. Nikola Vujovic, Milton, alright. Iverson. Ooh. Okay. So that was not that good. The other ones were pretty good. Can't complain. We got the Giannis and the Martin Jr. and then we got one rookie, that cool insert, the green, and then the Nikola. So red, white, and blues. Hortford's not bad. He's an all-timer. I mean, cannot complain though for 3 packs. So yeah, guys, drop a like, subscribe, and we will see you all on the next video.